I'm now from Singapore. I just spent 3 days doing the singing bowl workshop with Maria, and it's been a very enriching, insightful journey into sound healing. Across the 3 days, there's a lot of theory, there's a lot of practices. We studied a lot around doing private sessions, massages, group meditations as well. So I feel like it's truly been quite a holistic and enjoyable journey. And Maria has been a really lovely teacher, so it's been wonderful to learn from her. So I highly recommend this class for anybody who has a short period of time to want to learn something new and something that is truly good for you and for your family and friends too.